In this video, will the Bitcoin price reach around 50k thousand US dollars, or will we get rejected with this no volume breakout? And guys, on top of that, we are going to dive in with different altcoins, as right now we are still having an ongoing altcoin season. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. Welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, I am still at Cebu, and if you want to drop by tonight at Very Fine Lounge here in Cebu, you can actually drop by, we can actually meet up. And yeah, andito ko around tonight, around 9 p.m. siguro, around Very Fine Lounge. And ayun, if you want to drop by and if you're around Cebu, feel free to drop by and I'll see you guys there. But anyway, let's dive into the Bitcoin price action. Let's give you a quick update. And siguro let's dive in from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame up until the hourly so that we can monitor kung ano na, asa na nga ba tayo sa ating Bitcoin price action. So if we're going to zoom out within the daily time frame, so ito yung daily time frame, we are still monitoring this ascending triangle. Nagkaroon na tayo ng breakout. However, di ba sabi ko sa inyo sa mga ibang videos, wala tayong nakitang buy volume. So this could actually lead into a fake out. And in this case, this is not a 100% confirmed move. But ang kailangan nyo alalahanin dito is, ang magiging target nito is by getting the height, and ang magiging target natin dito would be around the 55,000 US dollars. But right now, we are not getting any buy volume, so medyo 50-50 tayo sa galawan na yon. So right now, we have to monitor the micro scale movement within those intramarket cycle volatility. Mga very short-term movements kasi yun yung ating magiging mahalaga in the next few days, especially na yung ating bigger time frame is not leading up into any massive buy volume. So in that case, we are going to dive in sa ating next time frame. But as of the time being, as you can see, we're seeing a clear resistance around the 50,000 US dollars. But our technical target for this movement is up until the 55,000. And then our major support would be around the 44.3k US dollars. That is what we are currently seeing within the Bitcoin price within the daily time frame. Now, zooming in to the 4-hour time frame, you can see now we are actually forming a very strong support around the 44,300 US dollars. But if we're going to look at the RSI is not yet indicating any clear signs of a bullish or bearish trend reversal within the 4-hour time frame. So this could either consolidate pa din dito with the Bitcoin price kasi yun nga, we don't have any clear signs of a bullish or bearish reversal signals dito with the Bitcoin price. So in this case, siguro abang-abang lang tayo, and if you have any long position, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is nag-set lang ako ng stop loss just below this area. So that would be around siguro the 43.5k or 43.6k, and dun yung stop loss ko. Nag-open ako ng long around the 44.1k. So right now, I'm currently in profits, of course, dahil din ako nag-enter. But as of the time being, yun yung aking nilalaro for the 4-hour time frame. And right now, we are still going to monitor this if you're going to get a bounce around the 100 moving average within the 4-hour time frame. Kasi look at this, 100 moving average will now act as a support ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price. So right now, we have to monitor if we are going to get a support around the 100 MA within the 4-hour time frame. Now, zooming in within the hourly time frame, ito din yung mga aking ibang tinetrade. Kasi look at this, in the hourly time frame, you can see na nag-oversold tayo dito sa area ni Bitcoin. So that was a buying opportunity. But that is not a bullish reversal signal. That is just a buying opportunity lang. Kasi look at this, in order for us to say na we are seeing a bullish trend reversal signal, the RSI must be increasing rather than declining. Ang nangyari dito, the price was declining. At the same time, RSI was also declining. So that is not a sign of a bullish trend reversal. It's just a more likely consolidation lang talaga, and right now we are seeing that playing out. And then after that, let's try to dive in within the 15-minute time frame. Ano ba nangyayari ngayon with the Bitcoin price? Diba? Earlier today, nag-post ako ng signal at our Facebook and Telegram group as well as Discord na meron tayong symmetric triangle forming, and look at that. We actually played that movement and it has met our target exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you have traded that movement, kasi of course that is a good swing tradable opportunity. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price despite of all this movement? So as of the time being, if you're going to look at the 15-minute time frame, we are potentially seeing a possible bearish divergence within the 15-minute time frame. So this could either indicate a bearish reversal to the downside, but take note, this is only in the 15-minute time frame, so this is only just for the very short term. So if you're trading Bitcoin for the very short term, then this is something you need to watch out for, kasi of course this could be a bad signal if let's say we are going to play out this movement. In this case, our target would be more likely around the 100 MA in the 15-minute time frame. So that is what I'm currently monitoring within the Bitcoin price. Right now, I'm expecting a short-term pullback siguro for the very short term lang. And then after that, siguro mag-bounce tayo around the specific moving averages, especially in the 15-minute, 100 MA. Doon yung aking pinakang ina-expect na possible bounce, itong orange line na yan, no? 100 MA within the 15-minute time frame. But as of the time being, we have to monitor still kasi we don't have any confirmed move yet within any time frame. Kasi right now, we are still clearly too early pa in order for us to see kung ano ba yung next movement. So right now, I'm still expecting more consolidation within the Bitcoin price. It's just that the smaller time frames have those intra-market cycle volatility, yung mga kanilang smaller time frames pump and dump na pwede mo take advantage. But guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is still declining, indicating that we are still in an altcoin season. And that is indicating that altcoins are performing better than Bitcoin. So, ibig sabihin nun, kahit nag-consolidate si Bitcoin, pwede pang tumaas lalo yung ating mga altcoins kasi nagde-decline yung ating Bitcoin dominance. And with that being said, let's dive into altcoins. So, first things first, let's dive into Ethereum. So, look at this, di ba? Kahapon sa video natin, pinakita ko na meron tayong bullish divergence with Ethereum. And that is indicating a bullish trend reversal signal. And look at that, guys. We played that movement exactly as predicted. So congratulations, guys, if you have traded that. And that is a very good move right now with the Ethereum price action. But right now, what is next for Ethereum? And if you're going to look at this, nag-overbought tayo kay Ethereum. Nag-enter tayo above the 70 threshold. So that is a clear sign of a take profit opportunity. But wala tayong signs of a bearish reversal with Ethereum. So I'm going to expect a consolidation within Ethereum around siguro $3,400 up until the $3,500 US. So mag-expect ako siguro ng consolidation within that area kasi wala tayong signs of a bearish reversal for the time being. But if let's say biglang umakat si Bitcoin dominance at the same time bumagsak si Bitcoin, then of course lalong babagsak si Ethereum. But as of the time being, pababa yung dominance. So this is indicating na Ethereum is more likely going to consolidate rather than bleed to the downside. Diving into BNB, di ba sabi ko din sa inyo, BNB is also forming a bullish divergence within the early time frame, a potential bullish divergence kasi look at that. The price is declining and then the RSI is not declining but it's actually moving sideways. So that could be a possible signs of a bullish reversal. And look at that, we played that movement exactly as predicted then. So congratulations, guys, if you've also traded BNB. And right now, we have entered the overbought territory ni BNB kasi look at this. We are above 70 threshold sa RSI. But take a look at this. There are still no signs of a bearish reversal, so I'm going to expect consolidation rather than a bearish reversal signal with BNB. So right now, I'm expecting more consolidation with the BNB price action. Diving into Solana, another requested coin na nakikita natin. Siguro, as you can see, Solana is pretty much climbing up steadily. And I think ang nagiging support niya ngayon is actually the 100 moving average within the early time frame. And then if you're going to look at this, siguro let's try to zoom in with Solana. And yeah, you can see na the price is increasing. I know, price is increasing. However, RSI is potentially declining. So this could be a potential bearish signal na you have to monitor kasi this is going to be a warning na ngayon with Solana. Kasi look at this, we have rapidly been increasing but the RSI is still declining. So that is not a good sign kasi traditionally, those signs and warnings are typically a bearish reversal signal. So in that case, you have to watch that one out. And then, the magiging target natin dyan would be the 100 moving average within the $122 US. And that is actually seen in the early time frame. So that is what I am currently right now monitoring within the Solana price action. Diving with Axie Infinity naman, look at this. Axie Infinity is trying to break this major resistance of around the 64 up until the 68 US dollars. So that is a very strong resistance. Kasi look at this. We were actually rejected once, twice, and then thrice kay Axie Infinity within this area. But right now, we are trying to break bullish dito. And as you can see, we are seeing massive buy volume dito kay Axie Infinity. So this could be a possible big move with Axie Infinity. But if you're going to zoom in dito in the 4-hour time frame, you can see na we are also playing this potential falling wedge within the 4-hour time frame. So this is indicating na ating target for the latest movement is the 73 US dollars, which is actually the current movement na ngayon. So right now, we are indicating na 73 US dollars is actually a good take profit area. So yung ating price action ngayon is actually a take profit area or it's a selling opportunity right now with Axie Infinity. If let's say you've been trading Axie Infinity. Now that is for the very short term kasi that's what we are currently seeing within this falling wedge forming within the 4-hour time frame. But other than that, if you're going to break bullish dito with the Axie Infinity, especially if magkaroon tayo ng daily candle close above the 68 US dollar area, then I think we can see a much or much better movement dito kay Axie Infinity kasi look at this. We're trying to break bullish. We saw a buy volume. We are currently retesting this as support. In that case, we might actually continue to the upside with Axie Infinity. But you need to take note na you have to watch out for a support areas if let's say you want to re-enter with Axie Infinity. In that case, you have to watch out for the moving averages such as the 20 MA kasi 20 MA is going to act as a very strong support area when it comes to a bullish movement. Kasi look at this. Whenever Axie Infinity is bullish, the 20-day MA is going to act as a support. If you're going to look at historical data, dun tayo nagkakaroon ng support. But whenever na we are bearish with Axie Infinity, the 20-day MA is going to act as a resistance. So right now, we have to hold the 20-day MA and that is actually a good opportunity for you to re-enter. If let's say gusto mo mabul kay Axie Infinity, you have to enter within the 20-day MA in the daily time frame dito kay Axie Infinity. So and guys, if you want to trade all of those coins with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade them with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna siguro update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.